I thought it was a difficult wicket, especially before lunch, because the wicket was a little damp, and because of the newness of the ball, the West Indian bowlers were getting a lot of bounce off the wicket. But after lunch, I think the wicket eased down a bit, and it was ideal for stroke play. So I think I was quite happy with the way me and Raina had a partnership after the lunch break, and especially Raina, the way he came out positively and changed the momentum of the entire innings. So I think that partnership was very important. But in the end, I think we threw away the important and hard work which we had done after the lunch, because probably if you had batted on, then we could have probably got around 250, 300, which would have been a very good score. But saying that the situation we were in before lunch, losing 4 wickets for just 40 odd runs, we would be very happy with the way we've ended the innings, especially after taking 3 wickets in the end. It gets the best out of me, especially when we are in terrible situation. The wicket was quite a challenging wicket, and then the position we were in, losing 4 wickets for nothing. So definitely such situation gets the best out of me. But I would like to convert those 50s into 100s, because I always regret not converting, and the hard work which I put in and not converting that into a 100, which would be more satisfying at the end of the day. But saying that, I was quite pleased with the way I batted today, and I was getting back the rhythm and started to time the ball much better than probably what I did in Jamaica. See, milestones are just byproducts of what you try and do for your country and your team. So I think 8,000 runs, it seems great probably once you retire from the game. But at the moment, I was definitely not elated or feeling really high crossing 8,000. I was really disappointed that I was not able to get 100. Because 100, yeah, personally it would have been very satisfying for me. But that 15-20 runs additional of mine would have got a total of around 250 runs, which would have been very, very useful for us. Firstly, I think he's really practiced a lot playing the short pitch deliveries, and you could see even in Jamaica or even in this innings, I thought he was quite comfortable playing the short pitch deliveries. And he played 2 important knocks for us, in Jamaica in the first innings where we were literally struggling, and he and Bajji had a wonderful partnership. And again, Raina played very positively in that innings, and even today when the chips were down, and the way he approached the innings was very, it was great to see. Yeah, during the lunch break, we didn't have too much of a talk, but saying that, I think that's the beauty of the Indian team at the moment. The dressing room, irrespective of what situation we are in, is very relaxed, and there is someone who puts up his hand and bails the team out of a tough situation. So I think it was a very important knock from Raina, and I think he would be quite pleased with the way he batted today.